Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Kazi Ahmed Dollar from Designer Dollar. Today, I'm very happy to inform you that my social media design gigs I have been optimized properly and it remains on the first gig on online SEO. And let's check it out. And if you want some any kind of NFT art, the social media design and other things like illustration, animation, and motion graphics, then definitely you should go on the Fiverr and search me on the first page on Fiverr online SEO, and then click on the order button. You can search my gigs after going to the site on Fiverr, and you can see this is the home page of Fiverr, and just click on the search option. You have to write the stunning social media posts and banner ads, and you should see the first image of my gig. This is called the Designer Dollar. You can see from 18,367 gigs, and I am so happy to see this. And this is totally optimized and properly organized. And this is the images of my gig, and you can see one order has completed already. And if you want any kind of services related or regarding social media design and motion graphics, or you can say the illustrations and or NFT art, you can order me from Fiverr, and that's it. So you can check it out my gigs. Thank you so much.